Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today, we have something special to talk about that can truly elevate your kitchen experience. We're diving into the APPASO SUS 304 with soap dispenser and pull down spray kitchen faucet, and we'll explore all the features that make it stand out from the crowd. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more reviews and home improvement tips. Let's get started. APPASO SUS 304 Matte Black Kitchen Faucet Pull-Down Sprayer and Soap Dispenser Single Handle Commercial High Arc 1-Hole Pull-Out Spray Head Kitchen Sink Faucets Patent Protection. Our pull-down kitchen faucet is 100% original design and protected by patents. Money well spent. Touch kitchen sink faucet with commercial SUS 304 stainless steel construction, NSF standard zinc alloy cover with multi-layer brushed nickel, high temperature resistant PEX hose, easy to install. Pull-out kitchen faucet's quick-in system requires only simple steps to install the tap without plumbers and specialized tool. Here are some of the specific features I love about the APPASO SUS 304 with soap dispenser and pull-down sprayer kitchen faucet. Commercial design. This kitchen faucet with soap dispenser is flexible and functional with a heavy-duty open spring spout for an industrial look. Lead-free construction and food-grade PEX inner hoses provide you with fresh and clean water. Multifunctional sprayer. The kitchen sink faucets with 2 setting modes allows you to switch from soft stream to powerful spray easily. The pull-down kitchen faucet with 360-degree swivel makes various kitchen space tasks easier and more convenient. With the single handle, control the water temperature and flow volume easily. Long lifetime quality. This kitchen faucet is made of brass material, and the valve inside single lever faucet is with lifespan 500,000 times to open and close. Easy to install. This high-arc kitchen sink faucet requires only 4 simple steps within 20 minutes to install, as our package will come with all the mounting accessories and user manual. You can trust matte black finish, resistant to fingerprints, rust and corrosion resistance. APPASO SUS 304 with soap dispenser and pull-down sprayer kitchen faucet boasts several key features that contribute to its functionality, style, and ease of use. High-quality material. The faucet is made from SUS 304 stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to corrosion and rust. Dual functionality. With both a pull-down sprayer and a soap dispenser, you get versatile functionality for various kitchen tasks. Pull-down sprayer. The pull-down sprayer provides flexibility and ease of use, making it convenient for washing dishes or filling pots. Soap dispenser. The built-in soap dispenser adds convenience to your kitchen routine, helping you keep things clean and organized. Modern design. The faucet likely boasts a modern and stylish design, enhancing the overall aesthetics of your kitchen. 360-degree rotation. Some faucets offer a full 360-degree rotation, providing flexibility and convenience in maneuvering the spout. Easy to clean. The materials used and the design of the faucet often make it easy to clean, ensuring a hygienic and well-maintained kitchen. Other things to consider. The size of your sink. Make sure the faucet is tall enough to fit comfortably under your sink and that the sprayer can reach all areas of the sink. The finish of the faucet. Choose a finish that matches the other fixtures in your kitchen. Your budget. The APPASO SUS 304 is a more expensive faucet than some other options on the market. Decide how much you are willing to spend on a new faucet. Your DIY skills. The faucet is easy to install, but if you are not comfortable with DIY projects, you may want to hire a plumber to install it for you. Here are the pros and cons of the APPASO SUS 304 with soap dispenser and pull-down sprayer kitchen faucet. Pros: multifunctional sprayer, pull-down sprayer, 360-degree swivel, soap dispense, single handle design, SUS 304 stainless steel construction, easy installation. Cons: soap dispenser refill, sprayer head quality. Overall, the APPASO SAS 304 with soap dispenser and pull-down sprayer kitchen faucet is a well-made and versatile faucet with a lot of features. However, it is also more expensive than some other faucets on the market, and there have been some reports of leaks and sprayer head breakage. If you are looking for a high-quality faucet with a lot of features, then the APPASO SAS 304 is a good option. However, if you are on a budget or are concerned about leaks, then you may want to consider a different faucet. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kitchen Faucet for more reviews and home improvement tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you've already tried the APPASO SAS 304 faucet. Until next time, happy kitchen upgrading.